Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today, working in Spring Hill, Florida. We're here for a driveway cleaning as well as a pool cage and pool deck cleaning. This customer reached out to me because she saw one of my videos on YouTube and wanted to get her cage clean, and she couldn't reach the middle section, so she reached out to me and booked it. So me and DeJuan gonna clean that today. We got a couple jobs on the schedule. DeJuan has a paver sealing job, which we've cleaned already, and I think we're supposed to go and seal it today. Tomorrow's supposed to rain, so we're gonna try to see if we can get advantage of putting the seal on there so we can get a good 10 hours of dry time before the rain comes. With that said, guys, if you haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you got any questions, hit the bell so you know when I put up on the video. So let's check the job out. All right, here, so this is the driveway. You guys can see it's pretty dirty. We're gonna pre-treat it, and I'm gonna use the Mondo with a 12 GPM to get that done. The one is gonna use the 8 GPM to do the pool cage and the pool deck. This was actually an upsell. Originally, I was just here to just clean the pool deck and the pool cage. Now, when I got here, I asked the customer, like, hey, we already here, do you want this clean? And she talked to her husband, and they decided to go ahead and do it. We'll clean the walkway as well to the front door, since they don't have a sidewalk. So all of this will be cleaned up. We also clean up the front door area over there. This is the pool cage back here. It's not terrible, not a whole lot of algae, but the beams inside in the middle, like I said, is a little dirty, you know. I'll show you guys a close-up view. See all that green right there. Make sure I don't fall in. You can see all right there. And look it right here. Pretty dirty. We don't have no oxidation, so we're good on that. We're gonna downstream our SH, sodium hypochlorite, aka chlorine, and then I'll give it a good rinse, soft wash. Yeah, it's all caked up right there. All that right there. We don't need the surface cleaner for back here, so we won't need to bring that. We'll just use the wand. We'll pre-treat the deck, and then we use the wand to wash the deck. All right, so we're gonna go up front now. The wand is gonna pre-treat the concrete for me, and then we're gonna go ahead and use the Mondo to surface clean it. done. I'm not all done, but I'm 3/4 of the way done. I'm not able to back the truck up or pull up. If I back down, the back hits the pavement. It's on the hill. And if I pull up too far, the one hose is not gonna reach. So therefore, we're gonna wait for him to finish up the back, and then we'll pull the truck up and finish up the last 6 squares. So far, this is what we're looking like. This driveway is pretty much clean. I did put a little bit of post treatment on there. Cleaned the walkway already. Post treated that as well. Stopped by Ameritech this morning, got some fresh SH, as well as some sticky icky pine. I'm running out of my slow-mo, so I went ahead and just grab me a gallon of that. Get me by. Let's see what the one got going on back there. All right, we're in the back now. You can see he's rinsing the inside, and the beams are looking pretty good. All that algae that I showed you guys earlier, that was all across these beams. You can see now they're nice and clean. All that right there. Looking pretty white. Pearly white cage. So he's already done rinsing outside. He's rinsing inside, and then next he'll just use the one, hit the deck, and then I'll be able to move the truck up to finish up the driveway. Y'all, the one just knocked out the cage. He's rinsing now the rest of the little bit, and I'm already wrapped up front. I was able to move the truck to the side and able to get the rest of the driveway done. So that's it. You can see she's nice and clean now. The one, look how he's looking at me. I'm not gonna walk in there, man. He was looking at me crazy, y'all. Y'all seen this man? I'm not gonna mess up your work. I know. I see you how you looking at me. The driveway completely done. Post treated. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all, like I said, we gotta get paper sealer for the one's job. We'll do that. So we see y'all when we get there.